Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching the Art of Science. Mirrors are amazing, aren't they? We can perform so many amazing experiments with them. In this video, we will see one of the many tricks that you can do with mirrors. Here, I have a paper that reads the word decide. If I hold it in front of the mirror as usual flips the image. But here's the interesting part. What if I turn this paper upside down? Now the word is unflipped. Strange, right? Let's try this with another word. Icebox. Still works. Although this trick doesn't apply to all words, like the art of science. Doesn't work. But it does work with some words, like echo. Are you wondering how this is happening? Magic. Just kidding, it's not magic, it's science. There are two things contributing to make this trick work. One is the alphabets and two, mirrors. These alphabets B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O and X have a horizontal line of symmetry. This means if I were to draw a line through the center of these alphabets, their top halves exactly match their bottom halves. Note that this only works with capital letters. The second reason behind this is mirrors. Before we understand that, why don't you quickly go and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss an update. We live in a three-dimensional world with three axes, X, Y and Z. This is the horizontal x-axis, this is the vertical y-axis and this is the third z-axis. To understand which axis the mirror flips images in, we can perform a simple experiment. All you need is a mirror and thumbs. First, point your thumb to the right side along the x-axis. Notice that the mirror U also points the thumb in the same direction. Next, point it to your left side. Again, the mirror image points it in the same direction. The same applies when you point your thumb upwards and downwards. Now, point your thumb towards the mirror along the z-axis. Notice how this time the mirror image points the thumb in the opposite direction, which is towards you. So that means that the mirror does not flip images vertically or horizontally, but instead it flips images in the z-axis. So using the combination of these alphabets combined with the reflective property of mirrors, we can experiment with many words like hide, oxide, choke, book and make this trick work. Let us know in the comments below what words you experiment with and we'll see you next week.